So next what I want to do is I want to add a little something in the sky. So the desert is supposed to look really hot. So if you'll notice, I put a bright sun up in the corner of my paper there. Now I don't have to do it exactly that way. But what I'm going to do is I want to find something round that I can trace to use for a circle. So, what is close by me? So I have a roll of tape that I can use. So you might have a cup or something that you can use. So if you want to see the whole circle, put the whole circle in there so you'll see the whole thing. On the other one, I had it overlapping from the corner. I think on this one, I'm gonna have a semicircle kind of coming from the middle there. Now, I used yellow on my other one and that showed up on the pink paper. But if I use yellow here, it's definitely not gonna show up on the background. So, if I use another warm color, so I know red is a warm color, orange is a warm color, so I'm gonna try using orange, I think. So I'm gonna hold down the roll of tape and I'm gonna trace it using my orange crayon. So I have to move around, but I'm not moving the roll of tape until I'm done tracing. There I have my semicircle that looks like the sun showing in the sky. So now I can fill this in, so I can color it in. And I want it to look sort of painted onto the paper. So if you'll notice, I'm not just doing this to fill it in and leaving gaps between the lines. I'm making sure that I keep everything tight together so those marks overlap with one another. So they completely block out the yellow paper underneath it. And I'm pressing kind of hard. I haven't broken my crayon. I'm not pressing that hard. And then if I want to, I can put some rays for the sun. Now, on my other one, I just drew lines, but I think here I could probably do a little better. I'm gonna draw, I think, something that looks like a triangle coming away, and then maybe a rectangle ray, and then maybe another triangle. So I'm actually doing a pattern here. Rectangle, triangle. What's gonna come out? You guessed it, rectangle. And then I have room enough, it looks like, for one more triangle here. All right, and then I could color those in or I could leave them. I kind of like the idea of leaving them, or maybe even just adding a line inside of them. Maybe I could even switch colors if I wanted to. So I really like the way this looks. So your sun doesn't have to look just like mine. You can use some of the same shapes and colors, but you could do it a different way.